and welcome to today's fascinating topic of the Vedic civilization. In this series, we will learn about the key aspects of life during ancient India's Vedic period, exploring everything from their family system to their religious ideas and political structure. To truly understand the Vedic civilization, we must first explore its foundation, the Vedic literature. The Vedas are the earliest texts that provide insight into this ancient society. They were composed by wise sages and even by women. These texts are written in Sanskrit and are incredibly diverse. The Vedas consist of four main texts: Rigved, Yajurved, Samaved, and Atharvaved. Each of these texts, known as Samhita, serves a unique purpose. Ved means to know. The term Veda derives from Ved. It means knowledge. The Vedas have been preserved through oral tradition. The Vedas are also called Shruti. For instance, the Rigved praises deities through verses called Richas, forming the basis for ancient hymns. So, the Ved consisting of Richas is called Rigved. Richa means a verse composed to praise a deity. When a number of Richas are put together to praise a particular deity, the poetic composition is called a sukta. The Rigved consists of many suktas composed to praise different deities. The Yajurved provides guidance for the rituals. The Yajurved contains mantras uttered during a yajna. Yajurved provides guidance about how and when the different mantras must be chanted during yajna rites. The Samved's focus is on music. The Samved provides guidance on singing Rigvedic verses to a set rhythm and tune at the time of yajna rites. The Samved has contributed in a major way in laying the foundation of Indian music. The Atharvaved stands apart by addressing everyday life matters, including solutions to problems and medicinal information. The Atharvaved is named after Atharva Rishi. This Ved is different from other three Veds. It is more concerned with many things in the day-to-day life of the people. It includes solution to adversities and diseases. The Brahman texts, Aranyaks and Upanishads were written after the composition of the Samhitas. They are also included in Vedic literature. They were composed to provide guidance on using Vedic mantras in yajna rituals. Each Ved has independent text called Brahman. Aranyaks consist of the reflection or thoughts expressed after meditating with deep concentration in forest or wilderness. The Aranyaks are concerned with accurate performance of yajna rites. The term Upanishad indicates knowledge acquired by sitting at the feet of the teacher. Human beings have always wondered about events like life and death. It is not easy to find answers to them. The Upanishads discuss such serious and profound issues. The four Veds, Brahmans, Aranyaks, and the Upanishads were composed over a period of 1500 years. There were many changes that took place in society in this period. Now that we know about this ancient Vedic text, let us study life during the Vedic period. Let us quickly meet in the next part and study the life of Vedic people.